Good morning, everyone. Let us start with the remaining chemical reactions of amine. Now, see one by one. When the amines, that aniline, reacts with carbon disulfide in 2:1 ratio, this is the structure of aniline. NHH, C double bond S, C double bond S, carbon disulfide, aniline, carbon disulfide, HNH, H2S is liberated, minus H2S. Then we get a such type of product, NH, C double bond S, NH, phenyl. This is a NN diphenyl, NN diphenyl, NN diphenyl thiourea. In this reaction, the reaction takes place in the ratio 2:1. Aniline is taken in 2 moles, that is 1 and this one 2, and carbon disulfide in a 1. Therefore, when the aniline reacts with carbon disulfide in 2:1 ratio, it forms a NN diphenyl thiourea. This is the NN diphenyl thiourea. This is the remaining reaction of yesterday's topic. Now, the electrophilic aromatic substitution in aniline. The aniline can show the electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now, the structure of aniline is the like that. It shows the electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. In aniline. Now, what is electrophilic aromatic substitution? The aromatic substitution in which the electrophile attacks over the ring by replacing the aromatic hydrogen by the electrophile. The reaction in which the replacement of aromatic hydrogen by the electrophile is called as electrophilic aromatic substitution. But this is taken in an aniline. This electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction takes place in aniline. This is the structure of aniline. As nitrogen having the lone pair, it donates the electron to the ring by plus R effect and increases the electron density at ortho and para position. It increases the electron density at ortho and para position. Therefore, NH2 is called as ring activating and ortho-para directing. Therefore, the incoming electrophile, when attacks over aniline, it preferentially attacks over ortho and para position. Why? The electron density at ortho and para position is more. Therefore, the electrophile attacks over ortho and para position. This is the structure of aniline. When it undergoes into the bromination, when the excess of bromine water takes place, thrice taken, Br2 aqueous position, bromine water. excess of bromine water. There is a bromination occur. In this reaction, bromonium ion acts as an electrophile. This is a bromination. This bromonium ion attacks over ortho, para, all the active position. That in case of aniline, with respect to NH2, this is ortho, para. As it taken in excess, and NH2 is a ring activating, strongly ring activating. It activates all the ring, all the position, that ortho, para. Therefore, incoming electrophile attacks over all position, that all ortho and all para. Here Br. That we say that the product is 246 tribromoaniline. 246 tribromoaniline. 246 tribromoaniline. We get the product by the bromination of aniline. Then aniline also shows the nitration reaction. Now see what is nitration. This is all about bromination. Aniline shows the nitration. Aniline cannot show the nitration directly because it undergoes into the oxidation and forms three different products. It gives the ortho substituted, it gives the meta substituted, it gives the para substituted. Our aim is to form the one of the product in a major amount. But as the number of product form increases, the synthetic utility of the reaction decreases. Therefore, the reaction loses its synthetic utility. That's nitration. Therefore, the NH2 is the electron donating group. It activates the ring towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. When it directly reacts with HNO3, it forms an anilinium ion, H positive of HNO3 and lone pair. Lone pair takes the proton and it forms an anilinium ion. This anilinium group or a benzene ring acts as an electron withdrawing and shows the meta product in some amount. Therefore, the reaction loses its synthetic utility. And we cannot get the one of the product in a major amount. Therefore, the nitration cannot be takes place directly. First of all, this NH2 group get protected in presence of acetyl chloride, CH3, COCl, CO, CH3, HH. HCl gets NH, CO, CH3. It forms an acetanilide. Why this is protected? If it cannot be protected, then this NH2 undergoes into the protonation and forms anilinium ion, and it forms aniline ion becomes electron withdrawing, and the incoming electrophile attacks over a meta position and forms a meta product in a most of the amount. That this acetanilide undergoes into the now nitration HNO3, concentrated HNO3, and forms orthonitroacetanilide and para-nitroacetanilide, a mixture of orthonitroacetanilide and para-nitroacetanilide. This is the orthonitroacetanilide and para-nitro NHCOCH3, and this is a para. This is a NHCOCH3 at ortho position nitro group, NHCOCH3 at para position nitro group. This is a mixture of orthonitroacetanilide. This is the para-nitroacetanilide. This mixture, when undergoes into the hydrolysis, this amide group undergoes into the hydrolysis, forms a acid and amine. It forms a such type of product, mixture of such type of product. This is the NH2 NO2 plus this is the orthonitroaniline. This is a para-nitroaniline. Acetanilide group. This NHCOCH3 and this NH2 undergoes into the hydrolysis and forms a aniline. Forms a orthonitroaniline and para-nitroaniline. This is the orthonitroaniline. This is a para-nitroaniline. Which is the major product? Now our question is, which is the major product? I think the para-nitroaniline is the major product, because in reaction some of the concentrated HNO3 is present. When it reacts with the para-nitroaniline or orthonitroaniline, it forms an anilinium ion in some amount, and it decreases this anilinium ion decreases the electron density at ortho position, and this anilinium ion increases the electron density at para position. Therefore, the para product forms in a major amount than ortho. The distance, see the distance. NO2 is present nearer to this one, and NO2 is present far away from the NH2. Therefore, there is no any interaction occur between NH2 and NH2. Here the interaction takes place. Though it is undergoes into hydrogen bonding, becomes stable, but at the same time, when some amount of acid is present, concentrated HNO3, it undergoes into anilinium ion formation. This anilinium ion acts as the electron withdraw the electron, and the system becomes unstable. Therefore, para-nitroaniline is more stable than orthonitroaniline. Electrophilic aromatic substitution in case of aniline. Here is the protection takes place by acetyl chloride. Here is the deprotection of NH2 group takes place by hydrolysis. This is a protection. This is a deprotection. का आपण प्रोटेक्ट केलं हे? जर प्रोटेक्ट केलं नसतं तर त्या या NH2 ला, तर NH2 हा डायरेक्ट ऍसिड सोबत रिएक्ट होऊन एनिलिनियम आयन फॉर्म केलं असतं, जो की इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये ऑर्थो, मेटा आणि पॅराचे प्रॉडक्ट मिळाले असते, जे की 3 प्रॉडक्ट आपल्याला पाहिजे. किती? 2 प्रॉडक्ट. त्याच्यामध्ये एक ऑर्थो आणि एक पॅरा. To avoid the extra product formation, the protection is necessary. That therefore, and it forms acetanilide after protection. There, this acetanilide undergoes into the nitration with concentrated nitric acid and forms of orthonitroacetanilide and paranitroacetanilide, which upon deprotection with water hydrolysis, that the step is called as deprotection. Then it forms a mixture of orthonitroaniline and paranitroaniline, in which the para is major over a nitro product. This is all about the electrophilic aromatic substitution in aniline. Now, this is a nitration. This is a nitration. We see the sulfonation of aniline. How the aniline undergoes into the sulfonation. Aniline, then it reacts with H2SO4. It forms a lone pair is present. Anilinium sulfate. H2SO4, H, HSO4, H positive, HSO4 negative. This lone pair takes this proton and it forms a NH3 positive, HSO4 negative. This is anilinium sulfate. Anilinium sulfate. This anilinium sulfate, when heated at high temperature, near about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius temperature, we get such type of product that NH3 positive, here SO3 negative. This is a Zwitter ion. This Zwitter ion rearranges to form a that is called a sulfanilic acid. This is a sulfanilic. Zwitter ion rearranges to form a such type of product, that NH2, this NH2, H is SO3 negative takes this H positive and it forms a SO3H. This is a para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. This is the para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is all about the sulfonation. In this way, the para-amino benzene sulfonic acid is formed. This is all about the electrophilic aromatic substitution shown by the aniline. It shows the bromination, it shows the nitration, and it shows the sulfonation. This is all about the electrophilic aromatic substitution takes place in the aniline. Now, we will discuss the next topic in tomorrow's lecture is the benzene diazonium halide or benzene diazonium chloride, BDC, shortly termed as a BDC. Then the remaining topic we will discuss in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.